Welcome to the 8th part of a series of Where are the Asian places in Sydney? This time around, I'll take you through a tour of Campsie. Historically being a working class suburb between the inner west and south suburbs, this has lately become a large Chinese and Korean suburb with pockets of Malaysian places around. You will see this as you walk around the suburb. Unlike all the other Asian areas visited, the main places of the activity seem to happen all around Beamish Street, and it's primarily that one street as opposed to other places where the shops are all dispersed in different streets. Anyway, let's take a tour. The first place I visited was a mixed commercial residential building block that was built in 2012. It's really quiet inside, but there's a couple of restaurants as you can see. Then if you walk up, you'll be able to see a Yuga restaurant, and I can confirm that the foods are really nice. Next is a small supermarket where you can get your Asian stores. In the background, I guess you can see the relatively large traffic. As you walk along, you'll see a couple of real estate and vitamin stores. You'll also see a Malaysian restaurant, and I can confirm by the reviews that indeed this place is great to eat. If you walk up, you'll also see Campsie charcoal chicken, which is even better. Unfortunately, it wasn't open on the day of filming, but I definitely vouch for this place for having some of the best chicken I had in Sydney. Furthermore, as you walk up, you'll see a barbecue place, a couple of small grocery stores, a bus stop all along as you walk up through the crowd. Definitely got some great bites around here, especially if you're feeling hungry. Would say that these places are worth the money. Next up, there is a Tianjin Bun Shop in the intersection where you can buy buns, fried dumplings and other stuff. I heard good things about this place, but too bad my stomach was full so I can't try anything. As you turn left and walk around, you will notice some Korean stores and cafes. You'll even be able to find a Korean mart and a Sejong barbecue as well. Note that there's a branch in Carlingford, but having eaten in both places, I'd say they're the same anyway, so just pick the one that's closest and most convenient for you. What you can see here is the Campsie train station. Keep in mind that this station is going to be re-renovated and new tracks will be laid as part of the work of the Sydney Metro. This will open in 2023, so it'll be a while, but hopefully it's going to be worse. I have a Sydney Metro opening video. You can see the link in the description box below, so check that out as well. As you enter the Campsie station, you'll note that there's an Easy Way branch. This is one of the older milk tea places that was beaten by the competition. Walking up, you'll see some meat shops, and if you turn right, you'll see a place where people tend to congregate. Not to mention that there's a fruit and vegetable shop that exists. And as you walk further down, you'll see Anzac Park. I came here on a Sunday, so obviously heaps of kids are going to be around playing and just enjoying their childhood. But yeah, you know, it's a nice place to chill around, so don't expect too much, but it's just a residential park. During COVID lockdown, I remember using these places as a way to get exercise because the gyms were closed. But anyway, close by is the Salvation Army, so charities exist here, and next to it is the RSL Club, so people can order yum cha for lunch. I never went, so I don't know. So if you walk up, you'll also see more food, an accountant, a Westpac Bank branch, and 85 Degrees. If you cross the road, you'll actually find that there's the Sydney Metro Community Information Centre. If you can go in after COVID, you'll see the exhibition showing what would happen as the Bankstown line is torn down and rebuilt with the Metro. If you need a place to study, you can head into Kfc Library, which is situated below the shopping centre. And if you enter the shopping centre, you will notice it's pretty small. They have a Gloria Jeans, an Optus, small food court and Big W. They also have Bread Top and a Tongli supermarket. Across the road, there is a Woolworths. You can barely see, but if you walk in, it's there. You'll also see that KFC exists, and a Gong Cha is also close by. So it turns out that Campsie probably has the most Malaysian restaurants congregated in one suburb. But my favourite is Albi's Kitchen. Either way, it looks like you have plenty of choice in this area. So that roughly gives you the gist of the area. It's a chill suburb and it's relatively close to the city. Thanks for watching, hope you click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you soon.